tired of greasy, unhealthy meals but don't have the space for a bulky kitchen appliance? What if I told you that you could enjoy crispy, golden fries or perfectly roasted veggies without the guilt, and all from a compact device that fits on your countertop? Yes, I'm talking about small air fryers. But with so many options out there, which one is truly the best for your needs? Stay tuned as I count down the 8 best small air fryers on the market today. Let's get started. 8. Instant Pot Vortex 2 Cutie Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex 2 Cutie Mini Air Fryer is a compact and versatile appliance designed for individuals or small households. With its 2-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing single servings or small batches of food. The Vortex Mini features 4 cooking modes: air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, making it a multifunctional tool for various culinary needs. Its sleek design is available in 4 colors: black, white, red, and aqua, allowing it to fit seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive, with clear prompts to guide users through the cooking process, such as reminders to flip food mid-cycle. Additionally, the non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. In terms of performance, the Vortex Mini excels at delivering crispy results with minimal oil thanks to its Even Crisp technology. It's particularly effective for snacks like fries or chicken wings, producing evenly browned and crunchy textures. However, its small capacity can be a limitation when cooking for more than 1 or 2 people. For instance, preparing a larger meal often requires cooking in multiple batches, which can be time-consuming. Another drawback is its tendency to cook at slightly lower temperatures than indicated, which may necessitate some trial and error to achieve optimal results. Additionally, while the unit is compact and easy to store, its fan noise during operation can be noticeable. Despite these limitations, the Instant Pot Vortex Mini remains a solid choice for those seeking a straightforward air fryer for quick meals or reheating leftovers. 7. Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven, 2.6 QT. The Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven offers a slightly larger capacity of 2.6 quarts compared to the Instant Pot Vortex Mini, making it better suited for couples or small families. This model uses air-crisp technology to fry food with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods while still delivering crispy results. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it an excellent choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or RVs. The digital interface includes 3 customizable preset buttons that allow users to save their favorite cooking settings for added convenience. One of the standout features of the Tasti-Crisp is its ease of cleaning. Both the crisper drawer and tray are non-stick and dishwasher safe, which simplifies maintenance after use. The air fryer also includes an auto-off function to prevent overcooking and a shake reminder that chimes halfway through cooking to ensure even results. However, while it performs well with frozen foods like fries or chicken nuggets, it struggles with more complex recipes that require precise temperature control. For example, cooking bacon in this air fryer can result in uneven textures due to the limited surface area in the crisper drawer. Another drawback is that the included temperature and time charts are not always accurate, leading to some trial and error when preparing certain dishes. 6. Tasty Personal Air Fryer, 2 quart. The Tasty Personal Air Fryer is a compact and stylish option designed specifically for individuals or couples who want quick and easy meal preparation without taking up too much counter space. With its 2-quart capacity and vibrant color options, this air fryer adds a pop of personality to your kitchen while remaining functional. It heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly thanks to its efficient airflow system, ensuring consistent results across various recipes. This air fryer shines when it comes to basic tasks like reheating leftovers or frying frozen snacks such as mozzarella sticks or chicken tenders. Its manual controls are straightforward and easy to use but lack advanced features like presets or digital displays found in other models on this list. While this simplicity may appeal to some users, others might find it limiting when attempting more intricate recipes that require precise temperature settings. A notable downside of the Tasty Personal Air Fryer is its limited capacity. It's best suited for single servings or small portions rather than larger meals. Cooking multiple servings often requires working in batches, which can be inconvenient if you're short on time. Additionally, while the non-stick basket is easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, some users have reported that the coating may wear off over time with frequent use. Despite these limitations, the Tasty Personal Air Fryer offers excellent value for its price point. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms where space is limited. 5. COSORI Air Fryer, Small 2.1 QT. The COSORI Air Fryer is a compact powerhouse designed for individuals or small households. With its 2.1 quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for single servings or quick snacks, making it an excellent choice for dorm rooms, apartments, or anyone with limited kitchen space. Its sleek design and lightweight build make it easy to store and transport, while the square basket maximizes cooking surface area compared to round baskets. The COSORI offers 4 versatile cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, giving users the flexibility to prepare a variety of dishes with ease. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its user-friendly digital touchscreen interface. The controls are intuitive and allow precise adjustments in 5-degree increments, ensuring optimal cooking results for different recipes. Additionally, the COSORI operates quietly at noise levels below 48 dB, making it ideal for shared living spaces or late-night cooking without disturbing others. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe and BPA-free, making cleanup effortless and safe for everyday use. In terms of performance, the COSORI delivers consistently crispy and evenly cooked food with up to 97% less oil than traditional frying methods. Whether you're preparing fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, the results are impressive for such a small appliance. However, the limited capacity can be a drawback for those looking to cook larger portions or multiple servings at once. While it's perfect for solo meals or snacks, families may find themselves cooking in batches. 4. Bella 2 QT Manual Air Fryer. The Bella 2 QT Manual Air Fryer is a straightforward and reliable option for anyone seeking simplicity in their kitchen appliances. With its compact size and lightweight design, this air fryer fits neatly on any countertop and is easy to store when not in use. Its 2-quart capacity is ideal for small households or individuals who want to prepare quick meals without hassle. The manual dials for temperature and time settings make it incredibly easy to operate, even for those new to air frying. One of the key advantages of the Bella air fryer is its consistent performance in delivering crispy and flavorful results across various recipes. Whether you're frying chicken wings or baking cookies, this air fryer excels at evenly circulating hot air to cook food thoroughly while reducing oil usage by up to 88%. The non-stick basket ensures that food doesn't stick during cooking and makes cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it into the dishwasher after use. However, there are some limitations to consider. The manual controls lack precision compared to digital models. Temperature adjustments are marked in 25-degree increments, which can make fine-tuning recipes challenging. Additionally, the absence of preset cooking modes means users will need to rely on trial and error or external guides to determine optimal settings for specific dishes. While these drawbacks may deter more experienced cooks looking for advanced features, they won't be an issue for those who prefer simplicity. 3. Chefman Small Air Fryer, 3.5 QT. The Chefman Small Air Fryer stands out as one of the most versatile options on this list thanks to its larger-than-average capacity of 3.5 quarts. This makes it suitable not only for individuals but also for couples or small families who want more flexibility in their meal preparation. Despite its larger size compared to other models on this list, the Chefman maintains a compact footprint that won't overwhelm your countertop space. This air fryer features dual knob controls for temperature, ranging from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and time, up to 60 minutes, offering precise adjustments without overcomplicating the user experience. Its performance is impressive across a wide range of foods, from crispy fries and roasted vegetables to juicy chicken breasts, thanks to its efficient heat circulation system that ensures even cooking every time. One of the Chefman's strongest points is its ease of cleaning. Both the non-stick basket and tank are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. Additionally, its cool touch exterior ensures safe handling during operation, a thoughtful feature that adds peace of mind when using it around children or pets. However, like any appliance, it has its downsides. The analog controls may feel outdated compared to digital interfaces on similarly priced models, and there are no preset programs included. Users will need to manually adjust settings based on their recipes. Additionally, while it performs well overall, some users have noted that frozen fries take longer than expected to achieve optimal crispiness. 2. Nuwave Brio 3 QT Air Fryer. The Nuwave Brio 3 QT Air Fryer is a versatile and compact appliance designed to bring healthier cooking to your kitchen. With its 3-quart capacity, this air fryer is perfect for small households or couples, offering enough space to prepare meals like crispy fries, roasted vegetables, or even a small chicken breast. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout option for those who want more control over their cooking. One of the key highlights of the Brio is its precise temperature control, which allows adjustments in 5-degree increments between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 390 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of accuracy ensures consistent results across a variety of recipes. The Brio's digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring 6 pre-programmed cooking settings for popular dishes like fries and chicken wings. Additionally, the preheat function ensures the fryer reaches the desired temperature before you start cooking, resulting in evenly cooked food every time. The basket is non-stick and PFOA-free, making it safe and easy to clean. Most parts are dishwasher safe, which adds to its convenience for everyday use. In terms of performance, the Nuwave Brio excels at delivering crispy textures with minimal oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. The advanced heat circulation technology ensures even cooking without hot spots, whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or reheating. However, some users have noted that at higher temperatures, the unit can slightly overcook food if not monitored carefully. The lack of a keep warm function is also a minor drawback for those who may not serve food immediately after cooking. 1. Topzee Small Compact Air Fryer, 2.1 Cutie. Taking the top spot on our list is the Topzee Small Compact Air Fryer, a highly efficient and space-saving appliance designed for individuals or small households. With its 2.1-quart capacity, this air fryer is ideal for preparing single servings or small portions of your favorite snacks and meals. Its lightweight design, coming in at under 5 pounds, makes it portable and perfect for kitchens with limited counter space, dorm rooms, offices, or even RVs. The Topzee air fryer boasts 4 versatile cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. It features adjustable temperature settings ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a built-in 60-minute timer with auto shut-off functionality for added safety. These features allow you to cook everything from crispy fries to tender salmon fillets with precision and ease. Its rapid heat circulation technology ensures even cooking results with up to 98% less oil than traditional frying methods, a win for both health-conscious eaters and those seeking guilt-free indulgence. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its ease of use. The simple controls make it beginner-friendly while still offering enough flexibility for more experienced cooks. Cleanup is also a breeze thanks to its non-stick BPA-free basket and detachable accessories that are dishwasher safe. This eliminates the need for additional scrubbing or soaking after meal preparation. Final thought. So there you have it, the 8 best small air fryers, each catering to different needs and budgets. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.